In this video, we are going to unbox and get my first impressions on this remarkable 2 paper tablet. Cue the intro. What's happening, my beautiful people? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel where I help make your lives easier using family tech devices and smart home products. So if you're interested in videos like that, please consider subscribing and click on that notification bell as well. At any time during the video, you can always check my show notes down in the description box below. You can also find the affiliate links, if I have any, for this video anyway, down there as well. Alright, so what I have here is the batch 4 order of the Remarkable 2 paper tablet. I've been waiting for this since April of this year, and a few times because of what's happening around pandemic, etc., the shipping was pushed back a little, but it's alright because now I have it here. So let's go ahead and open the Remarkable Marker Plus for Remarkable 2. I've shelled out a little bit more dollars for this one because it has an eraser, a built-in eraser, and I want to try that, make that pencil feel. So let's go ahead and see what this thing is. So the package is pretty cool, It's like just black and says built-in eraser, designed to deliver, paper-like friction. No charging or setup needed. Unlike the Apple Pen, you actually have to charge it or set it up using Bluetooth, but apparently this one, you don't have to. Okay, so there's the package. That's what it looks like. Okay, so this is the pen. That's the pen. And it actually, I think it's a little bigger than the traditional pencil you have, but it feels good. Okay, yeah, it feels good, and it has. So this would probably be the eraser, of course. All right, and you got the tip there. Okay, and it has an extra marker tips. Yeah, so they have extra marker tips, and it tells you how to remove it and so on and so forth. That's pretty cool. So they have extra. All right. Ooh, that's nice. All right, let's just put this here for a sec. So when I pre-ordered the Remarkable 2, it came with a free Polymer weave gray. What is this? They call it Folio, the official Folio for protecting your Remarkable and marker. Now, to be honest with you, when the first time that I saw the Remarkable 1 ad, I was just like, whoa, I need to have one of those. It's not even want, I need, because I write a lot, and if you visit me here in my home, you can actually see a whole lot of notebooks all over the place because I tend to misplace them and then buy one and then write it there and then misplace that and then so on and so forth. So when I saw that video ad, and I was like, yeah, please, I gotta have that. But at that time it was just too expensive. So what I did was, I saved up and I waited, saved up and waited. And then when I found out that there was a Remarkable 2, I'm like, I gotta get this one. So here it is. So with that, of course, with the Remarkable order, you actually get the pencil or the what is this called again? The pen without the eraser. So you actually have to pay a little bit more if you want the eraser. On the other hand, for this Polymer weave gray, color gray Folio, I actually didn't shell out anything because this is part of the package. Now, there were a few Folio options that you could choose, and some of them you actually have to pay extra. Some were like leather and stuff like that. But for this one, I'm like, hey, you know what? I don't really need the leather. I just need the extra eraser, so I shelled out for that one. So your thoughts all wrapped up. So this is what it looks like. All right, so I guess you put the tablet here, and this is where your pencil goes. Okay, all right. Not too bad, I guess. And then you have the Remarkable logo there. And that's pretty much it. And I noticed all of their papers are actually, or the packaging, they're all recycled papers, which I guess is good. All right. Now, here we go. This is the thing. Oh man, just check that out. What you can see there, right? I mean, woo! yeah, I'm really excited, as you can see. But gotta be honest with you, this is like an honest first impressions, because I saved up for this. This is like my own money kind of thing. So this is not like a sponsored video by Remarkable. I don't even know if they have like people that they contacted to actually review this. I don't know, but I've seen a lot of some videos out there already, I guess from the first batches. So I was like, oh yeah, okay, I want to check it out. But I just want to make sure that what I'm saying here is actually an honest one, because like I said, I didn't purchase this. I mean, I didn't get paid to do this. I actually purchased this. All right, so here we go. Package is similar to the rest of them, made of paper. But at least this one is covered with plastic. All right. Here we go. Oh, all right. That's that. Ta-da! No, not yet. It's just the cover. So let's see. Before maybe I get too excited and I start jumping, I don't want to hurt myself. Just gonna put that there. Oh, okay, okay. What do we have here? All right. First, we've got the welcome package, I guess. Congratulations on your new Remarkable. And then it has the quick start guide, how to navigate using hand gestures, get the full experience. And it looks like you have to connect to the Remarkable Cloud and get access to your notes and documents on your phone and laptop. I've read a few things about this, but to be honest with you, I don't know exactly how this thing works. I don't know if you could connect this with Google Drive or OneDrive by Microsoft, or even Apple Cloud. Okay, so this is the charger. Looks like the cable. Sorry, the cable. Yep, it is. And is it USB-C? It is USB-C. All right, so let's leave it there because I've got a few USB-Cs already. I'm just gonna not use this one, so at least if I need it in the future, I have an extra. This is it. This is what I've been waiting for 6 months. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. It is actually very thin. Now, they marketed this as the thinnest tablet in the world, and I would have to agree. I would have to agree. Okay, so this, I guess this is the power on here, power on button right there, and you can see the USB-C charging port. All right. Whoa. What? It doesn't even look like a... Is that it? Wow. It's very simple. Like, it's a very simple design. I was hoping to be more like, whoa! But, okay. Very simple design. What was I expecting? I don't know. I was expecting more like a Apple tablet, I guess, or the AirPod, or, you know, Samsung's and all of that. But this is very, okay, simple design. So it has the Remarkable logo in the back. And it starts right away with saying, hold the power button to get started. All right, so we designed Remarkable to not get in your brain's way, to help you think remarkable. So this is it. So really just one button, the power button. And I guess this would be like the magnet for, nope. Is it? Looks like. Yeah, okay. So this is like, it has the magnet on the side here where you could actually, is it? Yep, looks like it is. There you go. Or maybe it's for the Folio. I don't know. Yeah, that's it. At least it has the rubber feet on the back where, you know, if you have it, it won't really slide. Okay, all right. is it charged? I don't know if it is, so we'll see. Press, hold the button to get started. So let's try this. Ooh, there you go. You see that? Remarkable is starting. Like, are you serious? It doesn't even feel like it's a tablet. It looks like it's a paper, a piece of paper. Well, not really. Well, okay, there's the Remarkable. So now it's just starting. Express yourself, write, sketch, or scribble below. Let's try it. Your screen is unique. The canvas display creates a new blah 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 blah. Give it a try and see for yourself. No, okay. Let's go back. Scratch. Ooh. When they marketed this, they say it feels like writing on an actual paper. I don't know. Let me get a piece of paper and a pen and we'll see, okay? I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm back. Let's compare. Let us compare. So I've got the pen and paper. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Alright. I see. Even the sound. It's like you're writing. See? Can you hear that? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but then, right? And it's fairly responsive. Like, of course, the natural, when you write, the moment you start writing, there's that. Here, there's I could see that little delay, but it's very responsive. And it actually feels like you're writing on a piece of paper. Okay, well, I agree. Right, so let's try and see how this works. I'm gonna try this for maybe like a month or so, or even, I don't know, and see. And then afterwards I'll, do another review and see what I like about it and what I don't like about it. But in any case, so far, I'm expecting something like grand, but I guess not, because they marketed this as the world's thinnest pad. It feels like writing on a piece of paper, and it has as minimal or as less distraction, like minimal distraction. So they put whatever you need, and pretty much everything else is out. I guess there is a Wi-Fi here because you have to connect to the Remarkable cloud. But in any case, yeah, there you go. That's my first impression of the Remarkable 2 paper tablet. Alright, beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed that little video of my first impressions and unboxing of the Remarkable 2 paper tablet. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and click on that notification bell as well. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye! Here we go. The cat caught a cucumber. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and click on that notification.